Good morning, students. So, in previous class, we are discussing about mathematical induction, that is topic number 5. That topic is over. Now, today I am going to deal with topic number 9, ninth topic, that is sequence and series. Already in earlier classes, that is in 10th standard. Okay, sequence and series. In this topic, total marks is 11 marks. Total questions is 4 questions. Total marks is 11 marks. Allotment of marks, 1 mark 1 question. Okay. Then 3 mark 2 questions. 3 mark 2 questions. Then 4 mark 1 question. Totally 11 marks in this topic. Most important topic and easiest topic. Very simple topic. Okay, sequence and series. Okay, now here, what is the meaning of sequence as well as series? Remember, our sequence andrenu, series andrenu. Look here. Now define sequence: an arrangement of numbers in a definite order. Sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order. Either it may be increasing order or decreasing order. It may be ascending order or descending order. And arrangements of numbers in a definite order, that is known as sequence. That arrangements are, it may be ascending or it may be descending. So, an arrangement of numbers in a definite order, that is known as sequence. Now here, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. It is one of the example of sequence. Arrangements of numbers in definite order, it is in increasing order, ascending order. Another example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Again it is in a sequence. Another example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. And so on. These are the examples of sequences. In general, say A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN is a sequence. In general, A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN are sequence. Okay, so sequence means an arrangement of numbers in a definite order, that is known as sequence. Whereas define series, sum of all terms, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ terms ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, that is known as series. Now here, consider the sequence, namely in general A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on, AN are a sequence. Then its sum, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on plus AN. This is known as series. ಎಲ್ಲಾ terms ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ series. Only term, separate terms ಇತ್ತು, that is sequence. Remember, define sequence and series, and arrangements of numbers in a definite order, that is known as sequence. The sum of all terms, that is known as series. In general, A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN are the sequence. Its sum and all things, namely A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on plus AN. This is known as series. ಎಲ್ಲ terms ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? It is series. Separate terms ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ one by one term ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is known as sequence. Okay. Now here in this result there are two types of series, two types of sequence and series. Namely, there are two types of sequences or types of sequence and series. Okay. There are two important types of sequences, namely, first one is arithmetic progression, arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Sequence is nothing but progression. Second type is geometric progression. Geometric progression. Okay, short form here, geometric progression is GB. Arithmetic progression short for AP, and one more type. That type does not belong to in first year syllabus. Already in 10th standard. Arithmetic progression Geometric progression. One more type, what is that? Harmonic progression. Arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, harmonic sequence. Short for AP, GP, HP. Kannada word arithmetic progression, samantara ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗಳು. Geometric progression Kannada word ಗುಣೋತ್ತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗಳು. And one more term, that is harmonic progression, that is ಹರಾತ್ಮಕ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗಳು. But in first view, only two types, namely arithmetic progression as well as geometric progression. Okay, now let us discuss about one by one. So first type, what is that? Arithmetic progression. You know all those things already learned for 10th standard, isn't it? So define arithmetic progression. Then to find the nth term of arithmetic progression, to find the sum to n terms of arithmetic progression, and solve the problems. Similarly, type number 2, define geometric progression. To find the nth term of geometric progression, to find the sum to n terms of geometric progression, and solving the problems. And finally, relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Okay, now let us discuss one by one. So first one is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Short form is AP. Okay, so define arithmetic progression. ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗಳು ಅಂದರೇನು? You know the definition. Already in 10th standard, isn't it? So define arithmetic progression. Remember, arithmetic progression is nothing but a sequence, or it is a progression. Other one shreni, other one sequence. So it is nothing but a progression in which the difference between, remember, the difference between any two consecutive terms, any two consecutive terms is always constant. Remember, arithmetic progression is nothing but a sequence or a progression in which the difference between any two consecutive terms, one by one term to another term, first term, second term, third term, second term, next term is third term, don't skip it, second term on third term, then fourth term, then fifth, like that. So that is conjugate. The difference between any two consecutive terms is always constant. ಎರಡು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವು ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್, ಸ್ಥಿರ. ಎರಡು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವು ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಹ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ, ಅಂತಹ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay, the difference between any two consecutive terms is always constant. ಏನು ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್, ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವು ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಹ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗೆ ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, the difference between any two consecutive terms is always constant. That is known as arithmetic progression. Okay, now the constant term, a constant variable irutala, that constant term is known as, remember, you know, that constant term is known as common difference. ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಂತಾರ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ CD means common difference, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಪದ. Okay, the constant term is called common difference and it is denoted by the letter, small letter d. Okay, so definition, the difference between any two consecutive terms is always constant, is called arithmetic progression. That constant term is known as common difference and it is denoted by small letter d. D. Okay. Now for example, check it. Is it arithmetic progression or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Verify whether is it in AP or not. How to verify? Take first two term. What is difference of these two? 1. What is difference of these two? 1. Is there a difference 1 again? Again difference is 1. Difference of these two 1. Difference of these two 1. Common is funny. So clearly it is in arithmetic progression. Now here in this arithmetic progression, what is common difference? Common difference denoted by D is equal to difference is 1. Right? Take another example. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Is it in arithmetic progression? Check it. How to verify? Take the difference. The difference between these two. What are differences today? 2. Difference of these two. 2. Here difference of these two. 7 minus 5. 2. 9 minus 7. 2. 11 minus 10. 2. It's fixed. Difference is same. So clearly it is in arithmetic progression. Its difference is, common difference is 2. Right? Another example. 1, 5, 9, 13, 17 and so on. Verify is it in arithmetic progression or not? Yes, because difference of these two, 4. Difference of these two, 9 minus 5, 4. Difference of these two, 4. Difference of these two, 4. And so on. Clearly it is in arithmetic progression. Its difference is, common difference is 4. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, always constant. Then that is known as arithmetic progression. What about this? Is it arithmetic progression or not? 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 12. Is it an arithmetic progression? Check it. What is difference of these two is here 2. Difference of these two 4 minus 3 1. Difference of these two 7 minus 4 3. Difference of these two 1. Common is nothing. Is it constant or is common? That is the difference is always constant? No. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. Difference are different. So this is not in AP because second term minus fourth term is not equal to third term minus second term. That is not equal to fourth term minus third term. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು term difference same ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, but it same ಇಲ್ಲ. So that is not in arithmetic progression. Okay, so remember, define arithmetic progression. The difference between any two consecutive terms is always constant. That is known as arithmetic progression. That constant term is known as common difference and it is denoted by small letter D. Okay, these are the examples of arithmetic progression. Fourth example that is not in arithmetic progression because the differences are different values, not constant term. Okay, this is not in arithmetic progression. Right? Now in general, now to find the general form of arithmetic progression, how to write general form? Look here. Now here in general, if A is the first term, take first letter say A, first term called as A, and D is the common difference. D is the common difference. Then write general form of arithmetic progression. First term A. What is second term? A plus D. What is third term? A plus 2D. Fourth term? A plus 3D. Fifth term? A plus 4D. And so on. Is it in AP or not? This is general form of arithmetic progression. Check it. What is difference of these two? No, the difference is there. A plus D minus A cancel D. Difference is D. Take these two. A plus 2D minus of A plus D. A cancel 2D minus D. Again D. Right? Take these two. The difference of these two. A plus 3D minus of A plus 2D. A cancel 3D minus 2D. D. Difference is same. Clearly this is general form of arithmetic progression. Remember, let A is the first term and D is the common difference. Then the general form of arithmetic progressions are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and so on. This is general form of arithmetic progression. Okay, now this is first term. A plus D is second term. A plus 2D is third term and so on. What is last term? Look here, how to solve? Now here first term is A. right? First term is A. Now that A can be written as, first term is A. A can be written as A plus 1 minus 1 into D. Are they same? Yes. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into D, 0. 0 plus A. A can be written as 1 minus 1 into D. First term, 1 minus 1 into D. Right? Then second term. What is second term? Second term is only A plus D. How to write A plus D? Second term. A plus D can be written as, we can write 2 minus 1 into D, because 2 minus 1 into D plus A plus D. Right? What is third term? Third term is A plus 2D. How to write it? A plus 2D can be written as A plus, we can write 3 minus 1 into D, because 3 minus 1, 2 into D, 2D plus A plus 2D. Right? Similarly, fourth term is A plus 3D. Okay. Now how to write A plus fourth term? 4 minus 1 into D. Right? What is fifth term? A plus 5 minus 1 into D. What is sixth term? A plus 6 minus 1 into D. Seventh term? A plus 7 minus 1 into D. And so on. What is nth term? Hello, nth term and 3. Nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. Observe it. First term A plus 1 minus 1 into D. Second term A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Third term A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Fourth term A plus 4 minus 1 into D. And so on. Nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is nth term of arithmetic progression. Therefore, the nth term of arithmetic progression is given by A plus n minus 1 to D, and the nth term of AP is denoted by the letter Tn or An, or we can write L. All terms are same, either denoted by Tn or An or L is equal to, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. So remember, the general form of arithmetic progressions are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. Last term is, nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is known as nth term of arithmetic progression, and it is denoted by Tn or An or L. All terms are same. What is the nth term formula? Tn or An or L is equal to, remember, A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term of, general form of nth term of arithmetic progression. Here students, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು 10th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. Now next concept is to find the sum to n terms of arithmetic progression. Now we know that nth term of arithmetic progression is A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So next question, to find the sum to n terms of arithmetic progression whose first term is A and common difference is D. Next question is to find the sum to n terms of series. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Look here. Let, how to solve? You know the formula. Okay. Let Sn denote the sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms of arithmetic progression denoted by Sn. Now here Sn is equal to sum of n terms, general form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Last term is a plus n minus 1t. This is sequence. So find the sum. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. To find the sum of all terms, which is denoted by Sn. Sn denote the sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Now let Sn is equal to a plus a plus d plus a plus 2d plus and so on last term a plus n minus 1. Okay, then simplify. Take last term a plus n minus 1 into d. Call it as n. Last term denoted by say n or tn. Right? Then Sn is equal to a plus d plus a plus 2d, right? Plus and so on. Last term a plus l minus 1 to be denoted by l, right? Oh. Now here 1, 2, 3. This is third term a plus 2d. What is this previous term? 1d less. That is a plus. Again previous term a. ಹೌದಾ? So similarly last term is l. What is its previous term? Previous term ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1d less ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ l minus d, right? Again its previous term l minus 2d. Again its previous term l minus 3d and so on. A plus 2d, previous term a plus d, previous term 1d less, right? So last term is l, its previous term is l minus d, again its previous term is l minus 2d, similarly its previous term l minus 3d and so on, right? Oh, now call it as equation 1. Now here, as you know that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, is it in arithmetic progression? Yes, because the difference of those two become constant, that is 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, from ascending order. If it is descending order, is it in AP or not? Take class number 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Is it in AP? Yes, because the difference of those two become again 2, right? Again constant, here 2, 2, 2, 2 like that. So if you take reverse them, again it will become arithmetic progression like that. Here write the equation 1. Write equation 1. Equation 1 is in AP. So that write the equation 1 in reverse order. If you take reverse order, is it in AP? Obviously true. So that Sn is equal to reverse order means take last term to first term. L plus L minus d plus L minus 2d plus and so on. A plus 2d, right? Plus A plus d plus A, right? Right? Given equation 1 in reverse order. Now now ascending order ತಗೊಂಡು it take descending order. If you take descending order, again is it in AP or not? Obviously true, because its difference is same, that is constant value, isn't it? So write equation 1 in reverse order. Then L plus L minus d plus L minus 2d and so on. A plus 2d plus A plus d plus A. Equation, right? Now add these two equations. Equation 1 plus 2 gives. Add these two. See what happens? Sn plus Sn. That is totally 2 times Sn, right? Sn plus Sn, 2Sn. Add corresponding terms. A plus L. A plus L, first term. Plus A plus D plus L minus D. A plus D plus L minus D. Plus D minus D cancel. Remaining value A plus L, right? Plus A plus 2D plus L minus 2D. Minus 2D plus 2D cancel again. A plus L. Plus and so on. L minus 2D plus A plus 2D. Minus 2D plus 2D cancel again. L plus A or A plus L. Right? Then L minus D plus A plus D. Minus D plus D cancel. A plus L or L plus A. Plus last term L plus A or A plus L. Right? ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? D term get cancel. A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, A plus L and so on. Right? So that is 2 times Sn is equal to how many times A plus L? ಎಷ್ಟು time A plus L ಇದೆ? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not 6 times. How many times? Up to how many times? N times. See, take first two. Here it comes into a plus l plus f a plus l. 2 times a plus l. Take 3 terms a plus l plus a plus l plus a plus l. 3 times a plus l. Take 4 terms a plus l plus a plus l plus a plus l plus a plus l. How many times? 4 times a plus l. Here totally how many times here? N times. So this is nothing but sum of all terms, that is n times a plus l. Because how many times a plus l? N times. We can write n into a plus l. Check it. Put n is equal to 1. 1 into a plus l. First term. Put n is equal to 2. 2 into a plus l. N is equal to means sum of two terms. A plus l plus a plus l. 2 times a plus l. Put n is equal to 3. 3 into a plus l. N is equal to 3 means sum of three terms. A plus l plus a plus l plus a plus l. Totally 3 times a plus l. Each term how many times? N times. So we can write n into a plus l. So 2 times Sn is equal to n into a plus l. So that divide by 2. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Right? Or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus. What is l? L of the output. What is l value? A plus n minus 1 into t. Right? Okay. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus a. 2a plus n minus 1 into t. This is the formula for sum to n terms of arithmetic progression whose first term is a and common difference is d. Remember, sum to n terms of arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to a by n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus l. Both are same, where l is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Remember that formula. Sum to n terms of arithmetic progression formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Whereas nth term of AB denoted by Tn or An is equal to what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. This is nth term of arithmetic progression, that is sum to n terms of arithmetic progression. Clear students? ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, so remember that formula. Sum to n terms of arithmetic progression is denoted by Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, whereas nth term of arithmetic progression is denoted by Tn or An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Remember those two formulas. Okay, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, now same concept here also. Just to remember those two formula, sum to n terms of AB formula as well as nth term of arithmetic progression formula. Remember those two formula. Okay, based on the definition of sequence and series and the result for nth term of arithmetic progression and sum to n terms of arithmetic progression, based on those things to solve simple problems. Now look here, problem number 1, that is 1 mark question. Write the first 3 terms in each of the following sequences defined by, first question, defined by nth term An is equal to, that is given to n plus 5. Now the question, find the first 3 terms. ಮೊದಲಿನ 3 term ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಿ. This is nth term is given. To find first 3 terms, how to solve? Put one by one number. Take n is equal to 1. A1 is the first term. Then A1 is equal to 2 into n value 1 plus 5. 2 ones are 2 plus 5, 7. Then take n is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Second term. Put n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to 2 into n value 3 plus 5. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Therefore, 3 terms are, first 3 terms are, what are those? 7, 9, 11. Very simple. Similarly, second question. AN is equal to n minus 3 divided by 4. Find the first three terms. Again, same method. Take one by one number. Put n is equal to 1. A1 is equal to n1. A1 is equal to 1 minus 3 divided by 4. But 1 minus 3 minus 2 divided by 4. That is 2 ones are 2 twos are minus 1 by 2. Right? Take n is equal to 2. A2 is equal to, put n is 2. 2 minus 3 divided by 4. But 2 minus 3 minus 1 divided by 4. Right? Similarly, take n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to, put n is 3. 3 minus 3 divided by 4. 3 minus 3 0 divided by 4. That is 0. Therefore, three terms are, first three terms are, what are those? First number minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4, third number is 0. Right? Similarly, problem number 2, main problem number 2, same concept. Write the first 5 terms. In previous question, first 3 terms. Here, write the first 5 terms in each of the following sequence. 5 terms are find out ಮಾಡಿ. Same method. First question, what is that is given nth term. An is given n into bracket n plus 2. Write the first 5 terms. Take one by one number. First number n is equal to 1. A1 is equal to n value 1 into 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 3. 3 into 1 3. Right? Take n is equal to 2. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ. A2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 2s are 8. Take n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 5. 5 3s are 15. Take n is equal to 4. A4 is equal to 4 into 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 6. 6 4s are 24. Right? Put n is equal to 5. A5 is equal to 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 7. 7 5s are 35. Therefore, first 5 terms are, what are the numbers? First number 3, 8, 15, 24, 35. These are the first 5 terms. Right? Next, second question. An is equal to n divided by n plus 1. Okay. Now, to find 5 terms, take one by one. First number n is equal to 1. A1 is equal to, put n is 1. 1 divided by 1 plus 1. That is 1 by 2. Right? Take n is equal to 2. N value 2 toward A2 is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Take n is equal to 3. Take n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to, put n is 3. A3 is equal to 3 divided by 3 plus 1. That is 3 by 4. Right? Take n is equal to 4. A4 is equal to, put n is 4. 4 divided by 4 plus 1. That is 4 divided by 5. Take n is equal to 5. A5 is equal to, put n is 5. 5 divided by 5 plus 1. That is 5 by 6. Therefore, first 5 terms are, first number is 1 by 2. Second number 2 by 3. Third number 3 by 4. Fourth number 4 by 5. Fifth number is 5 by 6. Very simple question. Whereas third one is An is equal to 2 power n. Write first 5 terms. First number n is equal to 1. A1 is equal to 2 power 1. That is 2. Take n is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4. Take n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to 2 power 3. How much? 8. Take n is equal to 4. A4 is equal to 2 power 4, 16, right? Take n is equal to 5. A5 is equal to 2 power 5, how much? 32. Therefore, first 5 terms are 5 terms 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Right? Similarly, fourth one. What is fourth one? An is equal to 2n minus 3 divided by 6. Fourth one, an is equal to 2n minus 3 divided by 6. Write the first 5 terms. Take n is equal to 1, put n is 1, a1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by 6. That is 2 minus 3 divided by 6. That is minus 1 by 6. Right? Take n is equal to 2, put n value 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ 2 into 2 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 by 6. How much? Plus 1 by 6. Take n is equal to 3. Put n is 3. A3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 3s are 6 minus 3 divided by 6. 6 minus 3, 3 divided by 6. That is 1 by 2. Take n is equal to 4. A4 is equal to 2 into 4 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 4s are 8 minus 3 divided by 6. 8 minus 3, 5 divided by 6. Okay. Next number, take n is equal to 5. Put n is 5. A5 is equal to, put n is 5. 2 into 5 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 3, 7 by 6. Therefore, first 5 terms are, what are the 5 terms? First term is minus 1 by 6, second term 1 by 6, third term 1 by 2, fourth term 5 by 6, fifth term 7 by 6. Dear friends, similarly, fifth one. Fifth question, an is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 into 5 power n plus 1. Minus 1 power n minus 1 into 5 power n minus n plus 1. Now take one by one number, first 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put n is 1. A1 is equal to minus 1 power n value 1 minus 1. 5 power n value 1 plus 1. That is equal to minus 1 power 1 minus 1 0 into 5 power 1 plus 1 2. Then further simplify. Any number to the power of 0 is how much? 1. Meaning of a power 0, 1. Basic concept. 5 power 2, 25. 1 into 25, 25. Right? Then take n is equal to 2. 2 200. A2 is equal to minus 1 power n value 2 minus 1 into 5 power 2 plus 1. Minus 1 power 2 minus 1 is 1 into 5 power 3. Right? Minus 1 power 1 is minus 1. 5 power 3, 5 into 5 into 5. How much? 125. That is minus 125. Right? Then take n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1, n value 3 minus 1 into 5 power 3 plus 1. Minus 1 power 3 minus 1 2 into 5 power 3 plus 1 is 4. That equals minus 1 power 2. Index is even number, its value is plus 1. Right? 5 power 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 to 125, 125 to 3. 625. That is plus 620. Right? Next, take n is equal to 4. A4 is equal to minus 1 power 4 minus 1 into 5 power 4 plus 1. minus 1 power 4 minus 1 is 3 into 5 power 5 minus 1 power 3 minus 1 5 power 5 5 1 5 arithmetic number. How much? 5 5 are 25 5 2 are 10 plus 2 12 1 that is 3125 that is minus 3125 right. Then finally n is equal to 5 a5 is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 5 minus 1 into 5 power n plus 1 5 plus 1 minus 1 power 5 minus 1 is 4 into 5 power 5 plus 1 is 6 minus 1 power 4 index is even number its value is positive plus 1 5 power 6 now 5 power 6 means 5 into 5 into 5 into up to 6 times that is 5 5 are 25 5 2 are 10 plus 2 12 1 5 are 5 plus 1 6 that is 50 1 5 6 to 5 5 power 6 is 1 5 6 to 5 that is plus 1 5 6 to 5 these are the 5 terms right. Now therefore 5 terms are first term is 25 second term minus 125 third term 625 fourth term minus 3125 fifth term 15625 these are the 5 terms. Clear students? Very simple question. Similarly, one more question, one more problem, that is sixth one. Sixth one, last one. an is equal to n into bracket n square plus 5 divided by 4. Write first 5 terms. Now take one by one. N is equal to 1, a1. N value 1, a1 is equal to 10 is 1. 1 into 1 square plus 5 divided by 4. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 5 6 by 4. 2 3s are 2. Take n is equal to 2. N value 200. a2 is equal to 2 into 2 square plus 5 divided by 4 that is 2 into 2 square 4 4 plus 5 9 divided by 4 2 ones are 2 2 that is 9 divided by next number take n is equal to 3 a3 is equal to 3 into 3 square plus 5 divided by 4 3 into 3 square 9 9 plus 5 14 divided by 4 that is 3 into 2 sevens are 2 twos are right that is 7 by 3 into 7 21 divided by next n is equal to 4 a4 is equal to 4 into n value 4 4 square plus 5 divided by 4 4 into 4 square is 16 16 plus 5 21 divided by 4 right 4 4 cancel that is 21 and last one n is equal to 5 a5 is equal to put n is 5 into 5 square plus 5 divided by 4 that is 5 into 5 square is 25 25 plus 5 30 divided by 4 2 15s are 2 2s are 3 into 15 75 15 5 are 75 divided by therefore first 5 terms are first number 3 by 2 second number 9 by 2 third number 21 by 2 fourth number is 21 fifth number is 75 by these are the first 5 terms. Dear students, they will ask in final exam 1 mark question. Write first 3 terms in the Kurudu or write first 5 terms. Clear? Okay. So then to solve some more problems in the next class. Okay students, thank you.